All right, so let's take a look at the second question. So the second question says that we're using the numbers 1, 10, 19, 28, 37, 46, 55. And I want to put them into the 7 squares such that the 3 numbers in each of the lines and also each of the circles are the same. All right. So now, first of all, do we know the number sum? Yes, we do. We definitely do know the number sum. The number sum is equal to 1 adding 10 adding 19 all the way up to 55. If you're careful enough, you can see that this is actually an arithmetic sequence with a difference of 9 between the terms. So we just need to take the middle term, use the median principle of the arithmetic sequence, and now we know it's equal to the median multiplying the number of terms. So 28 times 7, and it's equal to 196. All right, so the number sum is equal to 196. Now, for these 3 lines, we have 3 line sums, right? And for the 2 circles, I have 2 line sums. So basically, you have 2 different ways to look at these line sums. So for the first way, if you're just looking at the 3 line sums there, you're counting each of the numbers once, but the center number 3 times, right? It means 2 extra times. So let's call the center number C. Now we should have 196, which is calculating each of these numbers once, adding 2 times of the center number, that is going to be 2C. Okay? And then for the second way that we are counting it, including the 2 line sums from the circles, we are just going to have all the numbers added together, but you can see that we haven't included the center number at all, right? So it's take away C. Now we're kind of like having, sort of like a simultaneous equation. So if you take away the 2 line sums from the 3 line sums, you can see that 1 line sum is equal to 0 adding 3C. So 1 line sum is just 3C. So it means that on each of these straight line, the sum is going to be 3C. So what it means is that these 2 numbers add up to 2C, these 2 numbers add up to 2C, and these 2 numbers add up to 2C. So altogether, for the 7 numbers, they should add up to 7C, including the middle one. So it means that 3C is equal to 196, which means that C is just equal to, no, 3C is not, 7C. 7C is equal to 196, which means that C is equal to 28. So 28 should go into the center square. All right, that's going to be the answer for this question.